Today we remember David Bowie on the day he passed away. Umunsi turibuka David Bowie ku munsi yapfiriyeho. David Robert Jones, known as David Bowie, was an English singer, songwriter and actor, regarded as one of the most influential in music of the 20th century. Bowie received particular acclaims for his work in 1970s. David Robert Jones, wari uzwi nka David Bowie, yari umwongereza, umwanditsi w'indirimbo, umuririmbyi ndetse agakina n'amafilime. Akaba afatwa nk'abashyize itafari mu muziki wo mu kinyejana cya 20. Akaba yaragiye atsindira ibihembo bitandukanye. His career was marked by reinvention of visual presentation, and his music and strategy have had a great impact on popular music. David Bowie yagiye amenyekana kubera udushya yagendaga akora ku rubyiniro ndetse bigaragara ko arimo arema n'igishya. Ibyo bikaba byarabaye ifatizo mu muziki w'iki gihe. Bowie studied art, music and design before embarking on music career in 1962. He released a starting and successful single with rock band self-entitled solo album in 1976. Bowie mu mashuri makuru akaba yarize gushushanya ndetse n'umuziki. Kuva mu mwaka w'1962 akaba aribwo yatangiye umuziki. Indirimbo ye ya mbere akaba yarikoranye n'itsinda ryo muri quartier y'iwabo ariko ntiyakundwa. Before achieving his top 5 entry on the UK single chart with Space Oddity, after a period of experimentation, he re-emerged in 1972 during the glam rock era with the alter ego Ziggy Stardust. Nyuma yaje gushyira hanze indirimbo yitwa Space Oddity, akaba ariyo yatangiye no kumenyekanaho. During his lifetime, his record sales estimate at over 100 million worldwide, which made him one of the best-selling musicians of all time. He is the recipient of numerous accolades, including 6 Grammy Awards and 4 Brit Awards. David Bowie akora umuziki akaba yaracuruje miliyoni zirenga 100 ku isi yose z'umuziki we, bikaba bimushyira mu bahanzi bageze ku bintu bafuzaga ku isi. Akaba yarahawe ibihembo birimo Grammy Award inshuro 6 ndetse na Brit Award inshuro 4. He was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1996, kandi akaba yarashyizwe muri Hall of Fame ya Rock mu mwaka w'1996. Rolling Stone marked him among the greatest singer, songwriter and artist of all time. Ikinyamakuru Rolling Stone kikaba cyaramushyize mu bahanzi b'ibihe byose nk'umuririmbyi, umwanditsi w'indirimbo ndetse n'umunyabugeni. Bowie died of liver cancer in his New York City apartment on 10th of January 2016. Bowie akaba yarapfuye azize indwara ya kanseri tariki 10 z'ukwa mbere 2016. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wakoze igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Igire ibihe byiza.